Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 10-minute lower abs workout. So it's going to be a no equipment class, so we don't need any dumbbells. What we need is just our mats, but don't forget your water and your towel. We got 5 different exercises that we're going to go through twice. Each exercise will be 45 seconds of work, followed by 15 seconds of break. Everything will be low impact, no jumping at all. Also, if you enjoy this workout, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and turn that notification bell on so you know when the next videos are uploaded. Okay guys, if you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 헬스장이나 혹은 집에서 하실 수 있는 10분 복근 운동을 해볼 건데요. 아랫배, 똥배 집중으로 해볼 겁니다. 오늘 필요하신 거는 매트만 준비해 주시면 되고요. 그리고 드실 물과 땀 닦을 타올도 잊지 마시고요. 오늘은 5가지 운동을 총 2세트 해볼 겁니다. 각 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어집니다. 층가운 소음 없는 맨몸 동작들입니다. 그리고 이 운동 영상을 즐기셨다면 좋아요와 구독 꼭 부탁드리고요. 알람 설정도 꼭 눌러주세요. 자, 그럼 여러분 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? Get ready everyone, let's go and get started with the warm-up. Big arm circles. Reverse it 4, 3, 2, 1, hamstring curls. 4 kicks, 4, 3, 2, and 1, hamstring curls. 4 kicks, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Swing your arms like side to side. Hip openers, 3, 2, and 1. Switch other side. 3, 2, and 1. Hands on your shoulders. Rotate. 4, 3, 2, 1. Jog it up for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So let's go and get started. First exercise we are going to be doing. Some exercises are going to be standing, some on the floor. So let's start with knee to elbow right here. 45 seconds in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Exhale, inhale. Keep going. Good job. Toes out to the side. Here we go. Down. Here. Here. And then up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And then up. Squeeze your hips on the way up. Now modification, you don't have to go as low. You can stay here if you like. Otherwise, down. Down and up. Keep your hands here if you like, but I think this will help you keep the back straight. Good.
With me, if only for a moment, only for a while.
Take a break. Now 3, we are going to be on the floor. We're doing bicycle crunch for 45 seconds. Ready? Here we go. Bicycle crunch. If I could turn back time, I would have never let you down. 'Cause now I'm waiting for you to say. a break. Next one, we are doing oblique crunch side to
I
side.
haven't heard from you in so long. I'm starting to forget what you
So exhale, inhale. Now modification, you can tap the heel on the floor if you like, otherwise, right here. Keep going. 3. Few more. Oh my goodness. Okay, next one. We're going to be doing a slow cross body down climber. Hands are right below your shoulders. Knee to opposite hand. Now modification, you can stay on your knees. Otherwise, right here.
I might be dreaming, there's no way back now.
Good job.
Every inch of my body, wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you.
And water break.
I'll do it again.
Great job, everyone. Get water. Okay, round 2. We are going back to opposite knee to elbow. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Rather space out here next to you.
Right here. Exhale, inhale.
Astronauts, we're in the night sky, and we won't
Feel it in your core.
make every inch of my body. Wanna dance with you all night long. Dive in, babe, you know we can't stop this. Come on and show me what you got. 'Cause I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do it again and again and again and again.
Take a break. Plie squat. Oblique crunch. Hands right below the shoulders. And down. And up.
Every moment with you makes me even lighter. I don't care. Oh yeah, it's every moment with you. I don't care if they think we're mad to be falling in love with you. I'll do
Good
it
job.
again and again and again and again.
Keep going.
I wanna be yours.
Feel it in your obliques.
I wanna be like everybody.
Next 3 exercises, we're going to be on the floor. Take a break. Bicycle crunch next, number 3.
What's up? I've been waiting for this my whole life. Wanna do
So
it
get ready.
for times. 'Cause it's better than a dream highway with young lean. I will never get enough. So high.
Here we go.
What a nice surprise. You're
Exhale,
all I
inhale.
ever had in mind. I'm happy in the sky, a big case of desire. I will never say goodbye.
Keep going.
That's right. That's right. That's right. I wanna be yours. Wanna be like bodies to pull up. There's a party we can go all night.
Take a break.
Around the red light.
We'll please be crunch next.
Call me mine. Somewhere on the highway, under the starlight, you tuck me in your arms.
So right side first. Here we go. Right, left, right, left. Here. Keep going. Good job. Breathe up, breathe in. Cool. Yeah, keep going. And then last one, slow cross body mountain climber for 45 seconds. And then we'll stretch and finish.
I know that's about balance. With you I'll be flying wildfire.
And go. Knee to opposite hand. Back is straight. Good. Feel it in your lower abs, in your obliques.
Need a minute to find out what I'm feeling, cause I'm about to go nuts. And my team is trying to say
Keep
what's
going.
up. I've been waiting for this my whole life. When
Almost
I do
there.
it 3 4 times, cause it's better than a dream highway with you.
And we are done. Great job, everyone. I'm gonna stop the timer. Get water, please. Okay. Start with the shoulder roll-ups. Breathe in, breathe out. 2 more. 1 more. Start with the shoulder stretch. After the cross body mountain climbers movement. Up, side to side. Inhale, exhale. Slightly lean back. Open. Press up, slowly bend forward. Good. Ear to the shoulder. Other side. Bring your heel to your glutes. Keep your knees side by side. Quad stretch. Other side. Hamstring calf stretch. Don't lock your knees. And switch. Good job. Plie. Rotate. And then down. Slowly come up. Last stretch for the hips. Right, left over right. Gently press it down. Switch, other side. Good job. We're gonna finish with 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. 1 more time. Inhale, exhale, and we are done for today. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share the video workout with your friends and family. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.